Hey, what's going on guys, Potato here. Today I've got a short clip from some 2v2 gnasher gameplay on Gears 5 where I was able to team up with a random to pull off a clutch win. Before we get started, I want to say that I appreciate all the support that's been shown on my channel. I greatly appreciate all of you. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and I will talk to you all later.
Let's make this quick.
Every victory is yet one more step toward total, absolute domination. The time for wondering is over. Make them listen.
You're not coming back from that one!
You will bend the humans to your will, and you will do it without further delay. I am watching closely. My children, it is time to finish this. You have given me the greatest gift, pride in my creation.